This is WSB-TV's Home Experts, Metro Atlanta's go-to home professional resource.
Like many parts of your home, your electrical system needs routine maintenance to stay in good condition. Joining us today are Steve Barber and Marcy Driver from Mr. Electric of Atlanta. Now, I know I need to call an electrician if something goes wrong, but why is it important to have an inspection?
The inspection lets us find the small problem before it turns into a big problem. The small problem is a little less expensive to fix. If you wait, then it turns into a major problem. Electrical panels and your electrical system is designed to last reliably for 15 to 20 years.
Oh,
After
wow.
that, it's anybody's guess. That's why an inspection is important 1 to 2 times a year.
Okay, excellent. So 1 to 2 times a year. Can I schedule that, or will you guys just take care of it for me?
You can definitely give us a call and we will schedule those. We have an Advantage plan that we offer to our customers that gives you a free inspection a couple times a year. What it does, it gives you priority scheduling. It gives you some really good discounts that are immediate that you see firsthand. Yeah. And it gives you that peace of mind within your home that everything is safe.
Absolutely. Now, why is Mr. Electric different than other companies?
We're different because we stand by our 100% customer satisfaction promise. I'm going to send you a trained technician to your house, a nice guy that you're going to enjoy, and you're going to have fun while he's there with him. And he's going to do you a great job, and we're going to stand behind him 100%.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate all the tips.
WSB-TV's Home Experts have the answers. Call today to take advantage of this great offer from Mr. Electric. Visit WSB-TV.com/home experts for more exclusive offers and tips from our home experts.